guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change on this ZX-10R 2023. So it just reached 600 miles, so it's gonna be the first oil change for this bike. So after you reach the braking period, which is 600 miles, you're supposed to do an oil change. So this is it. And the oil change on these bikes are really simple. So what you need to do is just come down here, get a 17mm wrench, and take this loose right here. But you want to get a low enough pan to fit under the bike because the bike itself is low. And you can try to save the washer. So we're gonna let it drain. You can see the oil is not that dirty. Has not a lot of metal shaving in it, so that's good. So guys, this is the oil filter part number right here. And the oil filter is in this. Also come with a washer, which is right here. So we're gonna put on the new washer on this right here, since we have it. Even though nothing wrong with this washer, so if you don't have one of this, you don't have to change it. But we have one, so we're gonna change it. The oil finished drain. So that's good. I like how Kawasaki do their oil change, do their oil setup. The drain plug is right here. The filter is in front. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is just use this pliers right here, this filter pliers. Just take your time and make some small turns on it, just like that. You don't have to remove any flarings. Once you get it free enough where your hand can turn it, you just turn it with your hand and take your time and let the oil drain out. Once the oil drain out, you can go ahead and remove it some more, just like that. So that is it. You just dump the filter in the pan, let that drain some more, try and clean around the surface, and then after you do that, you just want to get the rag, wipe the surface. You can see how clean it is, and we're going to get the new oil filter and put it on. But first we might need to lube the o-ring on the oil filter if it doesn't come with lube. Most time on these newer filters, they come with lube. So this one come with lube. As you see, you can see a little bit of grease right there. So this is good. We're going to go ahead and install it right now. So once you turn and the rubber come in contact with the metal on the filter, you just need to do 3/4 of a turn to a full turn, and that will tighten the filter as much as it needs to be tight. So alright, after you tighten up your filter down here, which is this right here, make sure your drain plug is tight. You want to make sure there's no oil leak underneath the bike, because everything line up with your tires, so that's not good. So where you fill your engine from is right here. And then this is the oil I'm going to use right here. And the good thing with this oil, it comes with somewhat of a filter, of a funnel. and the bike take 3.5 quart. So guys, after we change the oil, you can see this oil is red, so you can see it right there, but it's almost at the full mark, even though the bike is lean over. So if the bike straighten up, it's gonna go over the full mark, but once you start the bike, it's gonna fill the filter and it should level out. So guys, if you look through here, you will see the lever right there. But once you're supposed to check the bike with the level up, and once you check the bike with the level up, it will come up with the bike straight up. So once the bike's straight up, you check the lever and you can see it come up at the full mark, so that's good. So that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel.